The wig comes in this little box, which is so cute. And here is the wig. So it comes in this net like material. It comes with a pair of lashes. They are so cheap and I'm not gonna be using them. They are very false. They're not natural, so I'm gonna avoid them. And then they equally come with a wig cap. This wig cap I'm currently wearing is from a previous wig I owned. So what I basically just did was I did my edges, which is not the best right now, and I braided down my hair. Okay, not so much on my hair, right? I'm not braided. I just needed the hair for this mini video where I'm gonna show you guys how I style the wig. So the edges for me is very crucial because it kind of gives the headband wig a more realistic look. So I'm basically just getting the wig off the net and getting this out. So this wig is actually 16 inches. It's 100% human hair. The wig comes with combs at the top and the bottom. If you're someone who wants a more secure look, or you want that really snug feel on your wig, so this is something. It only comes with some, you can also like reduce. It comes with this elastic bands where you can like adjust it to reduce or to increase if you want it loose or if you want it more like fitted. So this is the wig. This is how it comes. It has like a velcro-y feel like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm just gonna install this. Oh my goodness. So this is what I wanted, guys. I wanted to do my edges so it kind of like looks more natural. I'm gonna use the pins to secure the combs to secure the wig, and then I'm gonna go in and just velcro the whole thing. So right now it gives a very snug feel. Oh, there was one thing I didn't show you guys. This equally came with the wig. It's like a headband, but so far this is what we got. This is what we got. It's, what do you guys think? It's super simple. It's very thin, but I wasn't, for the price I paid, okay, I wasn't expecting a 250 density. I was just wanting something that's simple, super simple and easy going. So I'm actually gonna try it with this headband to see what it looks like. So with the headband, like I said, it came in with the wig. So you can always get like different headbands off Amazon if you're not like a fan of what you got sent. But honestly, for the price I paid, I think this is a good deal. What do you guys think? I love the wig. It's not it's not perfect, but I think it's gonna get me through what I need. Okay, I just need something to navigate my errands and just to look presentable, because for me, I want to look presentable even when I'm stepping out of the house. I just don't want to look like I woke out of bed. I want to look a little bit presentable. So this is something that I feel is gonna take me, because I have no plans to braid until it's summer. So this is perfect. So all you need to do is just get your hair like in a flat cornrow, do your edges, and slap this wig on. You don't need a glue, no nothing extra to get this wig together. You just get this. It's a headband wig. It's gonna get you where you need to go. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna link where I got this hair. Is from Amazon, a company called Hire. So I'm gonna link that. If you're interested in getting this hair, I think it's perfect. If you want to look presentable, if you want to look like a baddie on a budget, get this wig. Get this wig, okay?